We're kind of on the tip of the Ozarks, I like to think of it, and our decor welcomes them to the Ozarks. I'm Dennis Meiser. I'm the owner of the Missouri Hick Bar-B-Q here in Cuba, Missouri. We've been blessed that we are a destination restaurant. We get our food out really quick. They can stop, have a nice quick lunch, and head on down wherever they're cruising to. It's more the Kansas City style. Each meat has its own rub, the heavier, sweet type sauces. The sampler is 2 to 3 ounces of our beef brisket, 2 to 3 ounces of our pulled pork, 2 to 3 bones of our ribs. A couple side dishes to go along with it. That's always a good place to start. The Ori Spud is the largest potato that we can buy. We bake it. We slice the top and we kind of push it into a bowl. And then we'll add our baked beans, pulled pork, cover it with 2 kinds of cheese, bacon bits, fresh cut chives, a little bit of seasoning, sweet cherry tomato on top. We'll get these potatoes and they'll be huge. And I'll sometimes come out to see the reaction. Inevitably, it'll be some little old lady. And the look on her face is usually astounding.